Is light color good for exterior walls? Dear friends, when choosing an exterior wall color, many homeowners wonder whether light colors are a good option. The answer is yes. Light-colored exterior walls offer several practical and aesthetic benefits. One of the biggest advantages of light colors is their ability to reflect sunlight. Unlike dark colors, which absorb heat, light shades help keep the building cooler, especially in hot climates. This can improve indoor comfort and may even reduce cooling costs. Light colors also make a home appear larger, brighter, and more welcoming. Shades such as white, cream, beige, light gray, and pastel tones create a clean and elegant look that never goes out of style. Another benefit is versatility. Light-colored walls pair well with different architectural styles and complement a wide range of roof, door, and window colors. This makes future design changes easier. Light exterior walls can also improve visibility around the property by reflecting more natural light during the evening hours. This contributes to a brighter and more attractive appearance. However, light colors may show dirt, dust, and stains more easily than darker shades. Regular cleaning and quality exterior paint can help maintain their fresh appearance for years. Ultimately, light colors are an excellent choice for exterior walls if you want a cooler, brighter, and timeless-looking home. By selecting the right shade and using durable paint, you can enhance both the beauty and functionality of your property's exterior. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.